Today's video is brought to you by Oxido LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxido LED lighting, and here is some after Oxido LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxido LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome to another episode of 612 Motorsports. My name is Sean, and today we are finally taking care of this fucking exhaust problem. This is what you get when you don't have the proper tools and you're doing this kind of stuff in your driveway or in the parking lot of the auto parts store. So what we're going to be doing is taking some fresh brand new pipe and actually using a proper tool and doing it the right way. Good. Kink her a little bit. I really flattened it, didn't it? Stretching it too much, or why is it?
Certain pipe bends better than the other too. Maybe this isn't.
As you can see here, we're gonna try to pull that off if it hasn't rusted itself solid. So that's not moving. As you can see, it is pretty fucked, rusted, burned on, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so we're kind of at a standstill. I have to get a piece adapter for this to go over the muffler, and the equipment I have at work here is not going to allow me to cut this angle, so I'm going to have to do that later. But very excited to say that this shit can finally go in the trash where it belongs. Couple new turn down tips, a hanger, some clamps that I'd really like to just return if I can. We might weld, we'll see what happens. And this adapter, which is going to go here and on the muffler end if I can't fix what I've got over here. We have this adapter on there now that I can't get off, but I was brainstorming, and I think what I'm going to try to do is cut it here and pry it off, peel it off maybe like a banana peel. So that's what I'm going to try now, and hope to God that works. Finally. Really, it wasn't all that bad. I just started to have to kind of give it a little persuasion, and it came off without really too much problem. So that means I don't need this flare, so I can cut this to the same length as this one, and then tomorrow I am going to tack this stuff together because I don't want clamps, and then I'm hoping to probably tack it to the muffler as well, and not have any more problems with this stuff. So let's go ahead and get this cut. to get this to the spot. So we got that taken care of. Feel a lot better about that. There's no rattles, no clanks, no nothing. She's on there good and secure. We're going to call that a day. And as always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. Until next time.